Hello, Wellness Warp family. Today we've got a burning question to address. How many calories do you burn while holding a plank for 5 minutes? Stick around till the end to get the complete breakdown. Number 1. The basics of calorie burning. First things first, calorie burning is influenced by various factors, including weight, metabolism, and intensity of exercise. So while planks are an isometric exercise, meaning you hold a position rather than move, they still challenge a variety of muscles. Number 2. Calorie estimation. A general estimation suggests that a person weighing around 155 pounds might burn approximately 5 calories per minute while planking. Doing the math, a 5-minute plank could burn between 10 to 25 calories. But remember, this number can vary based on the factors mentioned earlier. Number 3. Benefits beyond calories. Here at Wellness Warp, we always emphasize that exercise is not just about burning calories. Planking strengthens your core, improves posture, and enhances overall stability. So even if it's not the top calorie burning activity, its benefits are vast. Number 4. Intensity matters. If you want to increase the calorie burn, try variations. Side planks, rocking planks, or raising one leg can add intensity. As with any exercise, the more challenging you make it, the more energy your body expends. Number 5. A reality check. While holding a 5-minute plank might sound like a quick way to burn calories, it's essential to incorporate a holistic approach. Pair planking with cardio exercises and a balanced diet for optimal results. There you have it! Planking might not turn you into a calorie torching machine on its own, but its benefits are undeniable. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Wellness Warp for more health insights. Remember, it's not just about the calories you burn, but the strength and resilience you build. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.